I'm Bronx, and
I'm Jack.
no, I'm Bronx, and he's
Jack.
We're doing an unboxing today. They do so much bubble wrap, but
It's fun to pop.
it's so loud. Bubble wrap can't go into your home recycling bin, but there may be other options.
What do we have next?
Kleenex box. That's recyclable. Definitely recyclable.
And then we have a cardboard container. At least we think so. So
Yeah.
this goes in the recycling.
Yeah. This is glass. It's recyclable, but make sure you don't throw it in, okay? Listen very gently. This is a can. You also recycle this. Then we got a bottle. Recyclable as well.
And then we have a tub, recyclable as well.
What we have next is a jug. This is recyclable, right, Jack?
I don't know, you tell me.
If it's a bottle, tub, or jug, it's a yeah. So that means it's recyclable. These are paper. They're definitely recyclable. And then finally, we got bags.
Plastic bags can't go in your home bin, but there's lots of other uses for them. And this helps save the turtles.
So Jack, what other things can you not recycle in your home bin?
You cannot recycle metal hangers and clothes because they'll get tangled.
And definitely not batteries. They start fires really easily.
They also go kaboom. Batteries should be recycled at your local electronics recycling center. And no gross stuff. Don't recycle anything that you wouldn't want to touch.
That's all for today.
Well, you can't forget about the box.
Oh yeah, cardboard is for sure, yeah. To recycle this, you have to rip it apart, put it in the big recycling bin. Don't do it in a bin that's super small. Make sure to do it in a big bin. That's it for today. Bye.